Hello everyone, welcome back to Little Bites Kitchen. Today I am sharing a complete 7-month baby food plan for 30 days. You watched my previous video, you already know that at 6 months babies start solids slowly. Usually one food for 3 days and once per day. This helps parents watch for allergies, digestion issues, or reactions. Now at 7 months, babies can start eating 2 meals per day. But we still follow a safe rule. One food that the baby already tried at 6 months. One new food introduced for 3 days. This keeps feeding safe while expanding nutrition. Your baby will still get most nutrients from breast milk or formula, but solids help provide extra iron, healthy fats, vitamins, and new tastes. Always make sure the texture is smooth, soft, and easy to swallow. Let's start the meal plan. Day 1 to 3. Morning meal, before noon. Red lentil puree. Wash 30 grams of lentils very well. Cook with water for 15 minutes until soft. Blend until smooth. Add breast milk or formula for a creamy texture. Red lentils contain iron, supports brain development. Protein, helps body growth. Folate, supports cell growth. Fiber, supports digestion. Afternoon meal, carrot puree. Steam 50 grams of carrot until soft. Add breast milk or formula, then blend until smooth. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, vitamin A, supports vision. Vitamin C, immune support. Fiber, healthy digestion. Day 4 to 6. Morning. Banana mash. Mash 60 grams of banana with fork and mix milk. Banana provides potassium, muscle and nerve health. Vitamin B6 brain development. Natural energy. Afternoon. Sweet potato puree. Boil 70 grams of sweet potato until soft and blend. Sweet potato contains vitamin A, vitamin C, fiber, natural carbohydrates for energy. Day 7 to 9. Morning. Teff porridge. Mix 2 grams of teff with cold water. Cook slowly with hot water. Stir continuously until smooth. Add milk before serving. Teff is extremely nutritious. Iron, calcium, protein, magnesium, great for bone development and preventing anemia. Afternoon. Apple puree. Steam 70 grams of apple. Then blend until smooth. Apples provide vitamin C, fiber, antioxidants. Day 10 to 12. Morning. Chicken breast puree. Cook 40 grams of chicken breast well. Add hot water and blend. Chicken contains protein, iron, zinc. Important for muscle and brain development. Afternoon. Pumpkin puree. Boil 70 grams of pumpkin. Blend until gets smooth texture. Pumpkin provides vitamin A, potassium, antioxidants. Day 13 to 15. Morning. Salmon puree. Cook 40 grams of salmon thoroughly. Add little hot water and blend it. Salmon is one of the best baby foods because it contains omega-3 DHA, protein, vitamin D, supports brain and eye development. Afternoon. Potato puree. Boil 70 grams of potato. Add hot water and blend until gets smooth texture. Potato contains potassium, vitamin B6, energy carbohydrates. Day 16 to 18. Morning. Egg yolk mash. Remove egg white and mash 1 egg yolk. Add breast milk or formula and mix well. Egg yolk contains choline, brain development, iron, healthy fats. Afternoon. Pear puree. Steam 70 grams of pear. Blend until smooth. Pear contains fiber, vitamin C, hydration. Day 19 to 21. Morning. Broccoli puree. Boil 60 grams of broccoli. Blend and serve. Broccoli contains vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, supports immunity and bone health. Afternoon. Avocado mash. Blend or mash ripe avocado until creamy. Add breast milk or formula and mix well. Avocado contains healthy fats, vitamin E, potassium. Great for brain growth. Day 22 to 24. Morning. Corn flour porridge. Mix corn with cold water. Cook until smooth. Corn provides carbohydrates, vitamin B, energy. Add breast milk or formula milk. Corn provides carbohydrates, vitamin B, energy. Afternoon. Zucchini puree. Boil 60 grams zucchini until tender. Zucchini contains vitamin C, hydration, antioxidants. Day 25 to 27. Morning. Chickpea puree. 30 grams of chickpeas soaked for 12 hours and cooked. Peel skin. Add breast milk or formula and blend until smooth and creamy. Chickpeas contain protein, iron, fiber. Afternoon. Carrot pumpkin potato mix. Cook carrot 30 grams, pumpkin 30 grams and potato 30 grams together. Blend until smooth. Provides a mix of vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium. For 3 serves. Day 28 to 30. Morning. Corn flour pumpkin porridge. Boil 50 grams of pumpkin. Mix 15 grams of corn flour in cold water. Cook until everything becomes soft and tender. Blend with pumpkin. Afternoon. Egg yolk mash. Separate egg yolk from egg white. Mash with breast milk or formula milk. Serve. Important feeding tips. At 7 months, babies usually eat 2 meals per day. Recommended portion: 2 to 4 tablespoons per meal. Texture should always be smooth, soft, easy to swallow. Continue breastfeeding or formula 4 to 5 times per day. Signs baby is ready for more food. Your baby may open mouth for food, sit with support, show interest in food, swallow puree easily. This 30-day plan helps babies get balanced nutrition including iron foods, protein foods, healthy fats, fruits and vegetables. If you want, I can also make a printable baby food chart for this plan. And in my next video I will share a complete 8-month baby meal plan with 3 meals per day. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share with other parents. See you in the next video on Little Bites Kitchen.